fish? Ah, it's like some type of egg casing.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
This is
How cool.
not anything I've ever seen before.
Let me know if you want to try the fog lights to get a little bit more light through it.
This is extremely
Keep it
rare
like this for now.
Yep.
to actually see one of these egg cases with the shark inside. This is definitely a highlight.
Very, very cool. Wow. So the other one, that possibly there are two sharks. The one just hasn't, I guess, come out of the casing. What's left over?
Well, the yellow yolk,
Yeah,
I think
yolk.
that's the yolky portion, like the sac that all the food and nutrition is contained in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's good. That's plenty. Go to the port valve back.
So that's kind of like the energy source for the small fish as it develops.
Keeping a really keen eye on it. Bring the lower.
You can see it's actually vascularized. It has these red vascular structures, veins and arteries running through it.
Yeah.
That
did bring it up.
Yeah.
presumably those would connect with some sort of vascularization inside the fish itself.
I think it's okay.
Are we at max zoom here?
I'm also getting into a better position.
It's like rubbing itself.
We are at max zoom, but I can get I can park closer if you want a tighter shot.
I'll let video make the call here.
Yeah.
Yes, if they say yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Video. Do you have any?
I didn't know they were totally translucent like this. I thought they were always a little opaque.
Is that max zoom video? I'm having trouble hearing you. Okay. All right, we can come out and I'll
turning out to be a pretty fishy dive indeed. At all levels, or some other sort of shark species. I don't know if it's possible for the shore-based fish experts to let us know.
Oh, you could see its mouth. Oh, cute.
Stabilizing.
Yeah, you can see how it's attached actually now that coming out of the, just below the mouth, out of the ventral side, there has some sort of tubule.
Wow, how cool.
Working it back around.
So I've always wondered how permeable these membranes are, if they allow gas exchange to go across, or how the developing embryos obtain oxygen. I mean, it seems like it's gulping fluid or pretty rapidly. I wonder if that's normal.
Causing a little dust storm in here. It's okay.
Do you want to try to bring the lower swing arm all the way in and maybe go like this to see if you can light it up better?
You can mess with the lower if you want, but I'm having a lot of trouble holding this. It's like
I'm wondering now what the
amount of force it takes.
the gestation time on a lot of these
Yeah, I was just wondering
cases
how long it has until it...
Outboard or inboard?
We came across it like almost the exact time that we needed to actually see it. In the egg case, usually they're busted open and we don't get to see much.
Is that changing anything?
Yeah, it's changing the light around a little bit. You can also try for the fog lights if you want.
Let's try that.
So far we've seen these egg cases, something like these egg cases on a number of different structures, including on sponges, on corals.
Shall we try the
usually we find them on chrysogorgid corals, occasionally pretty much any fan-shaped structure.
Okay. Coming on in 3, 2, 1.
Anyone in the front row have an estimate of how large this was? I mean, we can get lasers on the way out, but do we catch them on the way in?
It'd be hard because they're on a different plane in the background, but
Yeah.
we can try to match it up maybe with the coral.
I mean, typical egg case is what, a couple inches?
Yeah, maybe 4 or 5 centimeters. We estimate right now, but we can get lasers on that when we pull out. You would think this is kind of an exhausting dance, it does, but...
But I wonder if it's just because of the lights.
Yeah.
There has to be some stimuli.
Big heave.
It's dark down there.
Well, I wonder too if yeah, I don't know much about the chondrichthian
And how do they
anatomy and
release
biology of
themselves?
this.
Do they go out from the top, or do they eat part of the egg case? And
Yeah, I always see them bursted open along the sides, and along the bottom.
Okay, video. I think we've got some time here. I'm happy when you are. Yep. There's the lasers. They're on the wall behind. Come out a little bit more.
so about 8 in length.
It's hard to tell just because
Hey,
there it is.
very thin, right?
To touch the coral. I'm just trying to get it to touch.
Yeah. It's about,
Yeah.
maybe about 6 in length.
Yeah, 5 to 6
rotate it,
centimeters,
slightly go
maybe.
down a little bit.
Just so you know, the lasers are on a wall maybe, 2 feet behind this.
Yeah,
So it looks larger than it is.
I'd estimate 3 to
4 to
Do
yeah,
a
3 to
little bit,
5
you might get the
centimeters
last one
yeah.
too.
in
that's a
that
good
range.
estimate.
Okay.